Alright traders, I'm demonstrating a trade because we had a downtrend working lower spike and a channel pattern. We have a break, push to a new extreme, so the downtrend played out, followed by a very strong, sharp spike above EMA, so I have to withdraw a brand new uptrend. We have a new high, first entry long, pullback, second entry long, but we broke below EMA and we had short-term downtrend in play. I waited for the high low confirming the second entry long, new high, first entry long, second entry long. Stop loss goes one thing below signal bar. I'm scalping 7 contracts for 2 points because according to trendline rule, this spike up needs to get new high. So once again, new high, I'm going to reset the count. First entry long, second entry long. This is decent setup on its own because we're bottom line but we need to take through. So I'm going to place my stop loss to break even because anything we make is going to be just a bonus. And this is following the market cycle and the trendline rule. Look at this, spike down, channel pattern. So we have spike and a channel pattern, consolidation, we broke the downtrend, we created push to a new extreme. So you can also look at it as one leg down, break, second leg down. Massive spike above EMA is negating any wider channel, and simply I follow the trendline rule, push up, needs to get new high, second entry long, decent setup, I waited for the high-low confirmation setup, great signal bar, above EMA, textbook price action. Alright traders, we have news announcement, so if we're gonna keep working higher, I will redraw to wider uptrend. But as of right now, breaking new high, I'll observe how EMA reacts. This is a great high-low confirmation of the second entry long.